Hi everyone! I'm excited to share with you some amazing vertical garden ideas that can transform even the smallest spaces into lush green sanctuaries. Let's start with a little inspiration. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it. And remember, gardening adds years to your life and life to your years. Vertical gardening is perfect for those of us with limited space, whether you're in an apartment, a condo, or even an office. Not only does it add a touch of nature, but it also improves air quality, reduces stress, and promotes overall well-being. By growing your plants upwards, you can maximize every inch of space. First up, let's talk about the types of vertical gardens you can create. Modular green wall panels are fantastic for both indoor and outdoor spaces. You can use modular panels or containers attached to a wall and fill them with herbaceous plants, shrubs, or even small trees. Another option is trellises, where climbing plants grow on support structures like trellises. Think honeysuckle, clematis, or winter jasmine. Then, there are freestanding vertical garden structures. These are standalone structures where plants can grow upwards and even overhead, like the impressive installations in Sydney's Foley Rest Park. Creating your vertical garden is easier than you might think. Choose your structure. It could be ground-mountable poles, metal frames, or wood trellises. Pick your plants. Vining legumes and vegetables like peas and beans work great. Select your containers or pockets, and ensure your setup is stable, gets enough sunlight, and has proper spacing for roots. Don't forget to train your seedlings to climb and keep up with regular watering and pest control. Now let's talk about the best plants for vertical gardens. Succulents are a popular choice because they're low maintenance and come in a variety of shapes and colors. Ferns provide lush greenery, while herbs like basil, mint, and parsley are perfect for culinary use. Vines like pothos and philodendron give that living wall effect, and annual flowers such as petunias and marigolds add vibrant color and texture. And don't forget air plants. They don't need soil and can be attached to various structures for a unique look. Here are some vertical wall garden ideas to get your creativity flowing. A patio vertical garden can be created with a freestanding wall using wire netting and cedar planks. Or try a tiny herb wall garden with a file organizer and cocoa liners. Repurpose a pallet for a flower garden with terracotta pots, or use hanging clay pot planters for balconies. Even a spice rack can become a charming wall garden. For those who love DIY projects, there are endless possibilities. Simple shelving with potted plants, bamboo pipe gardens, planting pockets made from recycled materials, and bottle towers are just a few ideas to try. And don't forget about indoor vertical gardens. Hanging herb pots near a kitchen window, a hanging gutter plant stand, or mason jar wall herb gardens are all excellent choices for bringing greenery indoors. Vertical gardens are a wonderful way to bring nature into any small space. With so many options, from simple to elaborate, there's something for everyone. So why not give it a try and create your own vertical garden? Happy gardening!